Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of natural remedies by exploring 8 powerful herbs that can help relieve anxiety and panic attacks. As more people seek alternatives to traditional medications, these herbs offer a holistic approach to mental wellness. We'll discuss each herb's unique properties and how they can support your emotional health. Natural remedies are significant because they often come with fewer side effects and can be easily integrated into your daily routine. By using herbs for anxiety relief, you not only tap into nature's healing potential, but also empower yourself to manage stress more effectively. So, stick around as we uncover these herbal allies that can help you find calm in the chaos. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. Lavender. Lavender is renowned for its calming properties, making it a popular choice for relieving anxiety. This versatile herb can be used in various forms, including essential oils and soothing teas. When inhaled or applied topically, lavender essential oil has been shown to reduce anxiety levels and promote relaxation. Scientific studies support these claims, with research indicating that lavender can significantly decrease anxiety symptoms and improve sleep quality. To incorporate lavender into your daily routine, consider adding a few drops of essential oil to your diffuser, or creating a calming tea by steeping dried lavender flowers in hot water. You can also place a sachet of dried lavender under your pillow for a peaceful night's sleep. Embracing lavender can be a simple yet effective way to manage stress. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen, a natural substance that helps the body adapt to stress and promotes balance. Adaptogens are crucial in stress management, as they support the adrenal system and enhance resilience to anxiety. For those looking to incorporate ashwagandha into their wellness routine, it's commonly available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and tinctures. The recommended dosage typically ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams per day, but it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. While ashwagandha is generally safe, some individuals may experience side effects such as digestive upset or drowsiness. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, and those with certain health conditions, should exercise caution and seek medical guidance before use. Chamomile. Chamomile is renowned for its soothing properties and has been traditionally used to alleviate anxiety and promote relaxation. This gentle herb can be consumed as a calming tea or in supplement form, making it accessible to anyone seeking relief from stress or anxiety. Research has shown that chamomile can significantly improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety symptoms, making it a popular choice for those struggling with stress. To make chamomile tea at home, start by boiling water and adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or a chamomile tea bag. Let it steep for about 5 minutes, then strain or remove the bag. For added flavor, consider adding honey or lemon. Enjoying a warm cup of chamomile tea can be a delightful way to unwind and ease your mind. Passion flower. Passion flower has a rich history in herbal medicine, traditionally used by indigenous cultures for its calming effects and ability to alleviate symptoms of anxiety. This beautiful plant is known for its sedative properties, making it a popular choice for those seeking natural relief. You can enjoy passion flower in various forms, including teas and tinctures. To make a soothing tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried passion flower in hot water for about 10 minutes. Tinctures can be taken directly or added to water for convenience. However, it's essential to be aware of potential contraindications. Passion flower may interact with certain medications, particularly sedatives and blood thinners. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating passion flower into your routine to ensure safety and effectiveness. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is renowned for its calming properties, making it a valuable herb for managing anxiety and stress. Available in various forms, including teas and capsules, lemon balm is a versatile and easy to incorporate ingredient into your daily routine. Research has shown that lemon balm can significantly reduce anxiety symptoms and improve mood, with studies indicating its effectiveness in promoting relaxation. To enjoy lemon balm in your meals or drinks, try adding fresh lemon balm leaves to a refreshing lemonade or blending them into smoothies for a citrusy twist. You can also steep dried lemon balm in hot water to create a soothing tea. Incorporating lemon balm into your diet not only enhances flavor, but also supports your mental well-being. Valerian root. Valerian root is widely recognized for its role in promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, particularly in those struggling with sleep disorders. This herb is often used to help individuals fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality. Valerian root can be consumed in various forms, including capsules, teas, and tinctures. The typical dosage ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams, taken about 30 minutes to 2 hours before bedtime. However, it's essential to prepare valerian root properly. For tea, steep 2 to 3 grams of dried root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. While valerian root is generally safe, some individuals may experience side effects, such as dizziness or digestive upset. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and those with liver conditions should avoid valerian root and consult a healthcare professional before use. Kava. Kava has a rich cultural significance in Pacific Island societies, where it has been used for centuries in ceremonies and social gatherings to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. Traditionally, kava is made from the root of the kava plant, which can be prepared in various forms, including powdered root, capsules, and kava tea. To prepare kava tea, mix the powdered root with cold water and knead it until the liquid becomes milky. While kava is celebrated for its calming effects, safety concerns have arisen regarding its potential impact on liver health. In some countries, kava is restricted or banned due to these concerns, so it's essential to check local regulations before use. Always consult a healthcare professional to ensure safe consumption. Black horehound. Black horehound has a long history of use in herbal medicine, particularly for its calming effects on anxiety and stress. Traditionally, this herb can be consumed in various forms, including teas and extracts. To make a soothing tea, steep dried black horehound leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Many users report that black horehound can help improve mood and provide relief from stress, making it a valuable addition to a natural wellness routine. However, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects, which may include digestive upset or allergic reactions in some individuals. Additionally, black horehound may interact with other herbs or medications, so it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your regimen. As you consider incorporating these natural remedies into your routine, remember to do so safely and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Your support enables us to produce more valuable content on natural wellness and mental health. Thank you for watching.